Oh wow, look at that. Oh, my feet. So I accidentally bought a designer bag. I will tell you the whole story and you can let me know if I made the right choice. So it started off with a beautiful Saturday morning. My friend Shirley had an appointment at Louis Vuitton and I just wanted to keep her company. For it's always more fun when you have friends coming with you when it comes to shopping. So yeah, she picked me up at 10 o'clock in the morning. We drove to Louis Vuitton, Auckland, got a valet park. As soon as we arrived, I made it really clear to the SA, look, she's the customer of today. I'm just a friend. Like, I'm not buying anything. I'm planning to apply for a home loan. If you are in New Zealand at this climate, it's really hard to get your home loan approval. People got their mortgage approval rejected simply because they visited like cafes a bit too much or spend a bit too much at the supermarket. It's crazy. So I made it really clear to the SA, like, look, I am planning to apply for mortgage this year. If your salary of this month is depending on me, you will be so broke. I just want to be upfront and honest with you. I don't want you to waste your time. I'm just here as a companion of Shirley. So we went to the private room. She ordered something and I was just there to be like, had a little nosy here and there. I was just there for the air conditioner, for the chocolate and sparkling water, that's all. Yeah. And the thing is, the SA bring on a rack of clothes. Oh, come on, Aki, you should try on something. I was like, really? But the SA was like, okay, look, I'm not gonna make you buy anything. Like, this is just for fun. So I was like, okay, I will do it. So I tried on some clothes that I would never really buy in real life. Like, for example, this skirt. Look at my eyes right there. And this outfit, like, or we had fun, they had a good laugh. So as we were leaving Louis Vuitton Auckland, we just asked the SA if we could just leave the car at the valet for a while. We just want to have a walk around town because there are a few stores that we can potentially have a look. Also, she has something to pick up from Tiffany Co because it's Chinese New Year next week and the SA over there has left us some red envelope. So yeah, we just want to go collect and just say hi to a few people that she knows and a few people that I know. So yeah, what we love about Tiffany Co, what I particularly love about Tiffany Co is their customer service, honestly. I'm not sure about United States or overseas, but in New Zealand, Tiffany Co, oh my god, their customer service are brilliant. For example, when I just got engaged, they just set up a high tea for me because my husband obviously bought our rings there. So we had a little high tea there. And during the Christmas period, they will have like the cutest Tiffany Co like butter cookies. I love them so much. I had 5 of them at one visit, I remember. So we went there to pick up the Chinese New Year red envelope because it's Chinese New Year next week. I will show you what they gave us. So this is from Tiffany Co, like, oh, upside down. Honestly, Tiffany Co really knows how to make you feel like home and feel special. And this is their Chinese New Year envelope set. How cool is that? Like, talking about how to promote brand loyalty. This is so cool. Like, from our family to yours, wishing you luck and abundance in the year of the tiger. Look how cool is this. And in the Chinese tradition, after you get married, it is your turn to start giving red envelope to kids. It's like a little blessing to them. So you put, let's say, $10 note in there and give it to kids, and that symbolizes You're giving them some good luck and good fortune for the year to come. And this is like this dance is so much fun. So cool, eh? Oh, Tiffany Co, I love you so much. So we left Tiffany Co and Shirley suggested to go to Bottega because DFS is just around the corner. DFS is the only place in New Zealand you can physically have a look at Bottega Veneta. Otherwise, you have to buy online. So a little bit of background about DFS. If you are a local citizen, it's very unlikely that you would have been to DFS because, well, as the name mentioned, it's duty-free shopper. Like you would just assume that it's for someone that is leaving the country, and who is leaving the country right now. So yeah, before the pandemic, like you can see a lot of tourist buses like stopping by, and a lot of tourists went to buy designer bags. So their main target audience are like travelers. So nowadays, I think they are working more towards promoting to the locals. So yeah, it has been a while since I last visited them because they used to be one of my clients before the pandemic. So we went to have a look, and Bottega was like looking great because Bottega, man. Oh wow! As usual, you can see like this Cassette bags were on the shelf, but they have a white one. The black one is always sold out. They have a few chain Cassette bag, a few pouches, a few Jodies in different sizes. So they have a really good range, like considering New Zealand is like the bottom part of the world. We always have the most basic styles and colors. Like we don't get a lot of like, so for example, there's always the newest and the most limited edition stuff will go to Australia first, and New Zealand will always get like a little bitsy bits and pieces of everything. And Shirley never had a Bottega before, so I was like trying to look for her first little Bottega for her. I think she was eyeing on a Jodie, like the smallest Jodie, but I saw a few reviews saying that the zip is really hard to close. So I was like, if you're spending $3.5 for someone that's small, that doesn't fit a lot, and then you have problem closing, it looks cool, it looks really Instagrammable, but I did recommend her to go for one size bigger so that yeah, you get more use out of it for your money, you know what I mean? So yeah, she tried on the medium size. Look how great she looked! And then so she asked the SA over there, so how much is this bag? The SA went, so this is part of the 30% off private sale, and if you sign up for our membership, you get an additional 40% off. We were like, what? What did you say? Yeah, so it's 30% plus 40% off. And then me and Shirley, yeah, if you have that face, me and Shirley was like looking at each other, like we still couldn't believe what we hear. So, and Shirley was like saying, did you mean we are gonna get 70% off? She was like, yeah, like how is that even possible? When was the last time you heard that brands like Bottega Veneta or like Gucci had a sale at this extent, you know what I mean? And so I asked, so how much is the medium Jodie that Shirley was holding? And she was like, do you have our membership? And Shirley was like, she does. Yep, I do. I have. Sign up now. And minus 30% equals this, and minus 40%, and you're saving about $2,500 and you're paying about $2,000. What is going on here? So which other bags are part of this private sale as well? And she was like, oh, these two shells. And I was like, and Shirley proceeded to start texting her friend. And then I was like, so I picked up 2 bags that was in my wish list. Like for example, this purple Bottega it was in my wish list since last year. And then as I was just like deciding, you can see people start coming in and start picking up the bag, and one lady has already proceeded to pay for the bag. And I was like, okay, which one? And then I gave Andrew a call. My love, we have a situation. So remember the Bottegas at DFS? And then Andrew was like, yes. They're having a sale and I think I will get a bag. That's very unlike you. You're normally very disciplined and you plan what you're about to spend. My love, it's 70% off. 70! Okay, I love you. So I was thinking, okay, do I pick the yellow one or the purple one? Because the yellow one is like really stands out and then against my skin tone. And the purple one looks good too. The purple one is almost like the Pantone color of 2022. The very pairy. So yeah, so it's like, okay, this one, the purple one. How much is this? But as I picked up the pouch, and it's like, okay, after 30% is this, and after 40% is this, and then you save 2,200, and then plus 15% GST, that equals to 1,890. I was like, take my money now. So yeah. And we even got the Bottega green shopping bag. So me and Shirley was like really happy, even had some photos in front of the store like a tourist. So we walked back to Louis Vuitton like this. Hi, we'd like to pick up our car. And the SA was like, well, what's going on with you two? Oh wow, Aki, I thought you were not supposed to buy anything. Yeah, so there's this sales going on at DFS and Bottega. It's 70% off. And she was like, what? And the funniest thing is, she bought something right after us. She bought something. She even sent Shirley a picture. How crazy is that? And so like I was like, okay, I need to text all my friends. So I was like putting it on Instagram, sharing it with my followers and my friends. And then, oh my god, there's so many questions. I kid you not. Like, it was so insane. Oh yeah, I haven't shown you my bag. Look at this shopping bag. My 2022 kickstart well with this Bottega green shopping bag. Like, I'm just happy just with this bag. But let me show you what I got. I got the purple pouch. What do you think? Is this a good choice? So can you believe it? This is $3,700 including import tax, and this is 19 all up. That's crazy. So what do you think? Do you like this? Does it look good on me? Does it suit me? Did I make the right choice? Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. 70%, that's crazy, isn't it? Like, oh, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button because I don't want you to miss my next video. I'll be making a styling session with this purple Thanos bag right here, and I hope it's versatile and I hope it fits a lot too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and I hope I will see you on the next video. Ciao.